Hi students, so today we are going to see the production steps of whiskey, brandy, gin, vodka, tequila and rum. We already learned different terms which is related to that, and hope that it will be easy for you to understand. Let's start. Now let's see the production steps of whiskey, brandy, gin, vodka, tequila, rum. We already learned what is whiskey, brandy, gin, vodka, tequila and rum, everything. And you know the base ingredients. So whiskey, which is made out of grains, brandy is from mainly from grapes and even from fruits you can make it. Gin from grains, vodka is from potato and grains, tequila from blue agave, rum is from sugarcane juice and molasses. Let's start the production step of whiskey. Other day we learned different terms, and if you study that you can easily write down the production steps I told you. So grains that will be sprouted and roasted, that is called malt, and if you powder that is called grist where you have to mix with hot water, that is called mash and turn, and from that the juice is extracted, that is called wort. Then of course you need boil and cool with the sugar in order to avoid bacteria in it. Then next you have to do the fermentation. Fermentation is a process of carried by yeast growth in grape juice or sugar solutions, and sugar is transformed that into ethyl alcohol and CO2. Once it's fermented, that will be distilled. Distillation means the process of separating the component of liquid by heating at the point of vaporization and condensed into a purified form, that is called distillation. Next one is aging. To improve the quality, that to be poured in a cask and that to be kept for a minimum 1 to 2 years of time, that is called aging. So it depends upon certain spirit, the aging process may take so many years. So if you take a cognac brandy, the finest one is when it aged for up to 75 years. Then the next one is blending. If you want to get the exact quality, you need to blend it with the previous year spirit to get the exact quality. That process is called blending, and once the blending is being done, you have to bottle it. That's the production steps of whiskey. Next one is brandy. There you have to harvest grapes, need to be harvested. Then you have to grade it, over ripen, ripen and under ripen. Then how much kg of grapes you are going to use, and from that the brandy is going to be made. So there you have to weigh it. Then the stock has a tannic content that will be removed through the destacking machine. Then you have to crush it, and once you get that is called must, unfermented grape juice. So the next one is sulfuring. In order to avoid oxygen presence in the fermentation tank, you have to add sulfur dioxide, otherwise the must will turn into vinegar. The next one is fermentation, I already explained, distillation, aging, blending and bottling. Then comes to gin. So of course you have to collect the grain, the proportion you need to take it. Then green malt. Malt means it's a sprouted and roasted one, that is called malt. Green malt means it's a sprouted grains, that is called green malt. Toasting means the excess moisture to be removed, that is called toasting. Then grist, already we discussed, mash and turn, wort, boil and cool, fermentation, distillation. Rectification, the alteration of spirit. Here we are giving flavor, that is called rectification, aging, boiling. Then when it comes to vodka, you have to make it two ways, either from potato or from grains. So the potato starch to be taken, that will be diluted, and with hot water you have to get the juice. That is not called a wort, but still we can call it as a wort. It's similar to that. That's what I just mentioned like that. Then otherwise a grain to be taken, that to be sprouted and roasted, then that to be make it powder, then in mash and turn again here, and you have to mix it with hot water, you got the wort, then you have to boil it, ferment, distill, rectification. You need to purify it with the active charcoal and sand. Boldly, that's what is mentioned. No aging for vodka. Next one is tequila, that is from blue agave. Blue agave need to be collected, that is called pina. That need to be baked, then that to be crushed. The baking to be done in the oven, crush it. That need to be mixed with the hot water, and you got the wort, almost similar to that. wort here, and again sugar to be added boiled in cool, ferment, distilled, aged, and bottled. Next one is rum. Rum is made out of sugarcane juice or molasses. Sugarcane juice that is concentrated, in that you have to add water, that is called diluted. For that, maybe we can say that is water. Then otherwise molasses that to be mixed with water, and that need to be fermented. Then distillate, aging, and rectification means dark rum you have to give caramel and all, that is called rectification. Then you need to be boiled. This is the production steps of whiskey, brandy, gin, vodka, tequila, and rum. Hope that you understood the production steps of all the base spirit, which include whiskey, brandy, gin, vodka, tequila, and rum. That's all for today's class. We will see you in next class with another topic. Bye.